In today's video, I am going to tell you a math magic which you can try with your friends, which you can try with your family, which you can try with your class fellows and impress them by showing your math magic skills. So let's start this math magic. There are some steps which you need to remember. The first step is think of a number of your choice. Okay, so the first thing is you will ask your friends that they think of a number of their own choice. It may be any number and they don't need to tell you the number. Okay, now the second step in this process is multiply that number by 3. Then you will ask your friend to multiply that number which he has chosen in his head with 3. Okay, then third thing, you will ask him to add 6 to it. Okay, then in the fourth step you will ask him divide this number by 3. Okay, the number which your friend will reach after adding 6, he will need to divide that number with the 3 at the fourth step. And in the last and fifth step he will need to subtract the number obtained in step 4. Subtract the number which he or she thought from the number obtained from the step 4. Okay, what will he find? What will be the result? The final answer will be 2 in any case. Okay, Let's try with a number of my choice. In this case, uh, going to write an example. Let's let's say that I choose the number in the first step is, let's say I choose it 15. Okay, now apply the second step, which says that multiply it with 3. So 15 multiplied by 3, it is equal to 45. Okay, step 2. Now in step 3, we need to add 6 to 45. So 45 plus 6, it is equal to 51. Okay, in step 4, we need to divide this number with 3. The number which we have reached, which is 51 divided by 3, is equal to 17. Okay, now in the fifth step, what we need to do is the resulting number, which is 17, we will subtract the number which we thought of and which is 15. It is equal to 2. So that is the magic trick, that you will think of any number in your mind and then follow this process. The resulting answer will always be 2.